Hello my friends, I'm Jordie. I love art and I'm thrilled to share with you as part of the Suffolk Center's virtual art education. Today we're going to be learning about segmented art. Segmented art is really cool because it's an opportunity to use all different shapes and sizes to make something really cool and something that you can rearrange continuously. I love to look at the cohesion between the colors in segmented art because whether pieces are separated or pushed together, they can still look like one whole piece even by being separated. Segmented art is an opportunity to do whatever you want, to let your creativity flow and really just create something so amazing. For your segmented art piece, you'll need a base, and you can use any kind of base you have, whether that's regular paper, art paper, recycled cardboard, anything you have, and then choose what you want to cover it with. I will be using watercolor paint, but depending on the thickness of your base, you might want to use a thicker paint or crayons or markers. Anything that you have at home works just fine. When I do segmented art, I like to use scraps of paper from my previous projects. This way I'm getting as much out of my materials as I possibly can. So once you've chosen what you want to use, it's time to get started. Sometimes when I do segmented art, I like to cut my pieces into funky shapes. They can all fit together kind of like a puzzle, or they can be standalone pieces. You can choose how you want to do yours, but for mine, I'm going to have all my pieces cut in funny little shapes. Once you've decided how many pieces you want to do and you've got them cut to size, you can go ahead and get started with your painting. I am going to be using kind of a bolder color palette this time around with my watercolors. Sometimes I like to mute them out, but especially when I'm doing segmented art, I want things to stand out. So you can go ahead and make the choice of what palette you'd like to use, whether you want to do bright colors or muted colors or a mixture of the two, and just go to town. Once you've finished covering up your base, make sure you leave some time for it to dry before touching it. This is a good opportunity to clean up what's around you, to leave your space nice and neat for next time. Once your pieces are dry, you can turn them over to sign them, write the date on them, and maybe even number them if you want to put your pieces in a specific order so you can remember what goes first. No matter how you arrange your pieces, they'll always be cohesive because they share the same color palette. You could attach magnets to the back and use them on your fridge and make a new piece of art every day using the same pieces. Or maybe you like one design with your pieces and you choose to glue them on one base to keep them as one work forever. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you so much for creating with me today. I'm glad you were here. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next project. I can't wait to see you next time.